And I'm back again nenye video iwenje enqabavu engcolileyo manje enqabileyo futhi but ke asikho lapha yabo. So yes, the semi-final fixture for AFL, which is the African Football League, has been confirmed. So Mamelodi Sundowns is set to take on Al Ahly. So this comes to light after Mamelodi Sundowns got to play their second fixture, which is their second leg against Petro de Luanda at Loftus Versfeld. So that game ended 0-0, but the score was 2-0 on aggregate after Mamelodi Sundowns managed to secure 2 goals while they were playing away. So they get to face Al Ahly, which also drew with Isimba. They drew 2-2 when Simba was playing home, and they drew 1-1 when Al Ahly was playing away, but Al Ahly managed to walk away with the victory due to the away goal rule. So yes, that is how our semi-final is set. And then moving on to Banyana Banyana. Banyana Banyana is set to take on DRC today at 4:30. So make sure that you catch that game, as SABC Sport is going to cover it for you. I said it's going to start at 4:30. So a second leg, and I will play on the 30th of October. But then there's a problem with today's game. So Nairobi has both why, hey, what's the problem? What's the problem? Because Banyana Banyana is supposed to play in all of that stuff. So Banyana Banyana diehard fan, it's a page. They reported that DRC has boycotted that game. The players of DR Congo have boycotted the game. So this is how he reported it. With less than 24 hours to go before Banyana Banyana clash against the DRC, reports coming out now claim that the Congolese team has been kicked out of their residential hotel by their federation president after boycotting training sessions for the second time. Despite their head coach Chuchu Marcelo expressing their readiness for tomorrow's clash, which is today, in a pre-match conference, reports suggest that his team once again boycotted their today's training session, which was yesterday, in demand of due bonuses. So now it still remains to be seen if they will make it to the pitch or they will boycott today's game against the Banyana Banyana. So obviously this is a financial problem, as I've read it. So I just hope that this gets resolved and we get to watch the game, because these are the qualifiers for the Olympics. So if it's something over money, I'm sure it's something that can be talked over and resolved, because DRC stand a chance of going to the Olympics. So imagine if they do not play against Banyana Banyana because of a problem on their side. So it's actually a big thing. And you know, guys, these things happen all the time whereby we get to see national teams clashing, like the management of the national teams clashing with the players because of the financial problems. These are problems that have to be solved, because they deserve more, especially in the women's side of football. They deserve more because they play football just like the men do. So I feel like they should be treated better, and whatever it is that they're requesting, if it's something that actually makes sense and it's something that they deserve, they have to get it. I don't know what you guys have to say about this, but if you have anything that you want to say, you can please drop it in the comment section below. Well, about DRC boycotting their game because of the financial issues. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bafubili ndintanda nonke, it's Jan Moya.